Come test drive the 2017 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, rear step bumper, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, trip odometer. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck.